In this video, I will show you how to share full screen reels on Instagram. So first, you have to simply open your Instagram. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for the specific reel that you want to share full screen on your Instagram story. Tap this reel option right here. So let's just say you wanted to share this one to your Instagram story. What you're going to do is you have to click this share icon and then click copy link. Now exit your Instagram application. Go to your Google Play Store, tap this one, tap Google Play Store, and then search for repost for IG. Okay, tap this one, and then click this, install this application. So once done, what you're going to do is open this application. And then as you can see, link detected. It will automatically detect the link that you have copied from your Instagram. And what you're going to do here is you just have to tap this one. And you have two options below, add to story, send direct. So click add to story. And as you can see, caption copied to clipboard. Okay, so here you have two options if you want to share this to your followers or just share this to your close friends. As easy as that.